How to change password on Mondly. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can cancel your password on Mondly and how do you go about it. Now what do you do first? The first step is to ensure that you have the Mondly application installed on your device. Now after you've installed it, the next step is to go ahead and launch the app. All right, so just go ahead and click on the app. After launching the app, you will be brought to the app's interface. On this page, you can see the home screen, and at the lower part of the screen, you can see your lessons, you can see your statistics, you can see your leaderboard, and then as well as your shop. Now, the thing is that you cannot change your settings directly. That is, you cannot change your password directly on the Modly app. And what do I mean? Now, for example, on the apps interface, by the time you go to the top left corner and then you click on the settings option, here you can see my account. And then if you scroll down, you can see other options as well. So by the time you click on my account, the only options that will be displayed are your names and email. And then once you can see this and then your profile picture, of course, you cannot do any other thing. The major way of changing your password is when you're about to log in. Now, after opening the Modly app, on most occasions, you'll be asked to enter in your username as well as your password. So on that page, the next thing you have to do is to click on forgot password. All right. So after clicking on forgot password, the reset password link will be sent to your email, and then from there you can now go ahead and change your password. Another way is by contacting the customer service. How do you contact the customer service? You can visit the customer service by going to your Chrome. All right, just go to your Chrome and then type out Modly contact page. Okay, just type out Modly contact page or help center, and then you'll be taken to the help center, and then from there ask your question, that is you want to change your password, and then from there you'll be directed on what to do. So these are the basic ways of how you can change your password on Modly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.